Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again today with another 5 trades. Today's date is December the 2nd and I'm using my new Mega Scalper trading system. This system uses the Heikin-Ashi candles. It's a custom made Heikin-Ashi candle, and it also has these arrows, the super signal indicator, and of course it has the Mega Scalper. This moving average here that changes colors. Of course, down at the bottom here we have some oscillating indicators. Now you will get an audio sound in this pop-up box suggesting to buy and or sell. Now every morning at 6 o'clock, where this vertical line is, that's where I get in front of the computer looking at all the different instruments, and of course looking at my daily trade plan. Once I know that I want to be buying and or selling, I'll manually put in this white arrow. Now here's my daily trade plan. It's running in real time, analyzes the charts from the monthly all the way down to the 30 minutes, and after it does some calculations within the comments here, it'll say look for bullish trades, bearish trades, and some will even be preferred. Now, of course, as my mentor told me many years ago, the reason why a lot of traders are failing is that they don't even have any kind of a daily trade plan. So that is why I recommend you get a daily trade plan. And after 20 years, this is the best one I came across. And you can adjust it if you're a day trader. That's what I have it set for, day trading. Or you can do it or set it for swing trading. Or if you're want to be in a trade like the banks for a longer period of time, you can set it for position trading. Comes with instructions on how to do that. Now, if you have any questions regarding this daily trade plan, well, just get in contact with me. Another tool I recommend you should check out and get your hands on is my FibMaster tool. You would click on this tab right here. You would go from high to low. This is swing pivot low. There's your pullback. As a general rule, if it hits the entries, well, it'll usually hit targets from 2, 3, 4, or 5. And on many days, it'll keep going. And it does go to target 10. Now in real time, when I took the trade, and I did take the trade, 7:30 to 8:30 approximately, I knew at that point that this was going to drop. So let's see on this pound dollar. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. I knew that there was a possibility of a slight pullback. Didn't bother me. Getting in here would have been better. But I was happy with the outcome. And keep in mind that the pound dollar, same as the euro dollar, pays $10 for each pip because the USD is on the right hand side. So on the pound dollar, this should be 43. So after a bit of a pullback, then it finally dropped, giving me that 43 pips. There it is right there. And that ended up paying out $430. Moving on to the next trade, euro dollar. As I mentioned, it pays $10 for each pips. Easy to see, it should be 50. Oh, and by the way, if you have any questions regarding this FibMaster tool, just get in contact with me. And the euro dollar should be doing the same thing. In other words, going down. So let's drag and drop this up. See where I got in at. Actually, the scalper turned red right here. That's the Mega Scalper. Got arrows, daily trade plan, everything said to sell. Everything looking good, including it did qualify for a great way to trade. From there to there should be 50. There it is right there. 50 pips paying out $500. Moving along to the next trade, Euro Yen. Here we go. Another one looking good for, of course, selling. I can show you that fib tool again. You would just click on this tab right here. Go from the high point to the low point. And of course, here's your pullback. So getting in any of the entries, 3, 2, 1, doesn't make any difference. We have the arrow from the daily trade plan, super signal arrow. So everything looking good for shorting. Drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. There's the arrow again. And the scalper was also red right there. So I took the trade at this cursor and I closed it out at this cursor. Looks like with 79 pips paying out $533. And as you can see, it did hit target number 5. It's the most common, anywhere between 2 and 5. But like I mentioned, it can go even further. If you have any questions regarding this FibMaster tool, just get in contact with me. If you want some more information, both on this FibMaster tool and the daily trade plan, there's lots of information right below this video. Moving right along to another yen trade. Usually if you're selling 1 yen, and if the yen pair is the driver, well, you can certainly check all the yen pairs. So on this pound yen, same situation. You could throw a fib from there to there. There's your pullback. You get the idea how great that fib tool works. And it works so great because millions of traders all over the world use Fibonacci. So let's see now on this pound yen. Drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Got the arrow from the daily trade plan. We have the arrow from the super signal, scalper, everything perfect. Got in a little bit late, but not a big deal. I still got a lot of pips. Slight pullback right here, which didn't bother me. From that point to this point, looks like I ended up with 95 approximately. 95 pips paying out $640. Moving on to the instruments, the futures, the indexes. As you can clearly see, they move a lot more and obviously pay a lot more. So on this NASDAQ, let's run a check on it. Here we go here. Very clear when I pulled the trigger, looking at the charts. Everything was telling me it's going up. Daily trade plan, the super signal, even the scalper was blue. What more could you ask for? Trading is easy and a lot of fun once you have all the proper tools. And remember, you will be needing a lot of education to succeed at trading. There's 5 things that you need to succeed at trading. If you want to know what they are, just look right below this video in the description. So, NASDAQ pays $20 for each tick. Took the money, divided by 20. Calculator says it's 154 ticks. Lot of ticks. So from there to there should be 154. There it is right there, 154. You remove the last 2 digits. And all of those ticks paid out $3,080. So another great day of trading using my Mega Scalper. I knew it was going to be well over 200 pips and or ticks. Grand total came to 421. And all of those pips and ticks paid out $5,183. And as you can clearly see, I only have to trade 1 day a week, 1 or 2 days. And that's the number of videos I'm doing on YouTube. I used to do 5 videos a week. Now I'm down to 2. Most people work 5 days to have a 2-day weekend off. I like the idea of working 2 days a week and having a 5-day long weekend every weekend. That was my goal 20 years ago. It took me quite a few years to get to that point. But if you keep at it long enough, you really should find success also. So if you have any questions, simple, just get in contact with me. And of course, it's easy to do that. All you got to do is look right below this video. You'll see my contact information plus a lot of other information. Now you can pick up the phone and call me directly. I do answer the phone. And I've had a few traders, quite a few actually, say that there's a lot of scammers out there. And my thoughts on that is that if sellers are traders trading their system, then they are not a scammer. And it's very important that you get some level of support. In other words, and that's exactly what I give. Now the reason why you cannot talk to most people is because they are not trading the system. So if you ask me questions about the system, well, I can answer 99% of your questions. Keep in mind, if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. Now you'll also see in the description there's 4 different packages. As I mentioned earlier, you're going to need a lot of education. So I made a special offer. If you buy 2 packages, I'll give you one of the other 2 packages for free. So again, if you have any questions, just get in contact with me. Well, looks like it's just about time to wrap up this video. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.